Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Myself Jayanth and I am currently pursuing my BA in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering and I am from Basic Science Department. The subject is Waste Management and I am currently studying in first semester. I will be discussing about recycling program elements in this video. So these are the contents which I am going to discuss today. That is about recycling programs, source separation, drop-off or buyback, curbside program, storage and collection vehicles for recycling, processing equipment for recycling, material recovery facilities, characteristics, tools used to separate the materials. So first let's know what is recycling program. Recycling programs are designed according to the needs and priorities of the communities. Elements of the recycling program include source separation, drop-off or buyback, curbside collection program, storage and collection of recyclables, collection vehicles for recycling, material facility and full stream processing. Let's know about source separation. Source separation refers to the segregation of the recyclable and reducible materials at the point of generation. Source separation may be voluntary or mandated and is done in conjunction with several recycling programs. Let's discuss about drop-off or buyback program. A drop-off or buyback program requires residents to separate the recyclable materials and bring them to a specified or collection center. A recycling center can be established at the same location where residents deliver waste. Mobile recycling drop-off trailers can also be used in this process. Let's discuss about curbside programs. In a curbside system, source-separated recyclables are collected separately from regular refuse from the curbside or commercial facility. Curbside programs vary greatly from community to community. Some programs require residents to separate different materials that are stored in their own containers and collected separately. Other programs use only container to store recyclables or two containers, one for paper and another for heavy recyclables. Storage and collection of recyclables. Collection of source-separated materials in a necessary component of recycling program is known as storage and collection of recyclables. Some principles of sound recyclable storage and collection should be understood while developing a program, and these includes resident convenience, collection crew convenience, cost-effective, integrity of materials, and many other factors. So these are some of the factors that influence storage and collection of recyclables. The first factor is resident convenience. The easier it is for residents to separate materials, the higher the participation and recovery rates will be. The second factor is collection crew convenience. The system should be convenient for collection crews. For example, loading and sorting activities should be as simple as possible. The third factor is cost effective. Maximize collection crew and vehicle productivity with minimum cost. The fourth factor is integrity of materials. The storage and collection system should be keep recyclables in the best shape possible. It should be properly dried, handled and contaminated free for the further processes. So let's discuss the importance of collection vehicle in recycling. Collection vehicles that are designed specifically for collecting recyclables have several storage bins which can be easily loaded and often equipped with automatic containers, tipping devices. Although these modified vehicles may be still considered as an option, a dedicated closed-body collection vehicle for recycling with sufficient capacity offers such sufficient advantages as easy loading and unloading, flexible compartments and protection from weather. Of course, this warrants a substantial initial investment. Let's know what are the equipments required in recycling process. Recycling involves a number of processing techniques and these processes require different equipment. However, some of the special equipments used in recycling are balers, can densifiers, glass crushers, magnetic separators, wood grinders, scales and etc. These are some of the equipments which are required for recycling process. They are balers. Balers means they can be used to densify many types of materials including papers, cardboard, plastic and cans. The next is can densifiers. Can densifier can crush or used to densify steel cans and other metal cans. Glass crushers. These are used to process glass fractions separated based on color and break it into small pieces for further processing. Then the magnetic separators. These are used to remove ferrous materials from mixture of materials. Then wood grinders. These are chippers and are used to sledge large pieces of wood into chips that can be used for mulch or as a fuel. Scales. These can be used to measure the quantity of materials recycled and can be sold in the further processes. Let's know about material recovery facilities, which is known as MRF. MRF is a centralized facility that receives and separates, processes and markets recyclable materials. The implementation of MRF in a municipality depends upon a number of factors as follows. The first one is market demand, separate collection, number of different recyclables, quantities of materials and many other factors. Let's know characteristics or tools used in the separation of materials. Rotating screens are used to separate materials of different sizes. Air classifier is used to separate the lighter materials. Heavy fraction is mechanically or manually sorted to recover saleable materials such as cardboard, wood, etc. Ferrous materials is extracted using a magnet system. This was some of the information about recycling process elements. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe.